Going to the Red Whale.
Ikaw na lang last, no? Ikaw na lang mag-video.
Hi, say hi.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Ngayon punta po kami ng Red Whale.
Hindi kasi ako makapagkape kaya nagagaya na lang.
Yan po ang aking mga kasamahan.
Kape. Hindi ako single. Ako may gano'n. Ready to mingle. Tapos sabi nyo, available.
At ang ating pong driver ay si Kuya R.
Ito, dito nakakaba.
Binabaybay po natin ang kahabaan ng Boracay dito po sa pagdating ba natin doon? Sasakayan yan?
Hindi pa.
Maghihabang pa.
Hintayin pa natin.
Update ko na lang kayo sa hanggang muli pagbabalik. Maya na pag nandun na kami. Thank you! Ayan, bumaba na kami. Lalakad kami papuntang beach para dun sa pupuntahan naming Red Whale kasi ihahatid kami. Sama ko sa aming destinasyon. Dito po tayo sa Boracay. Say hi to my vlog. Ano lang wife ko? Ganda, kulay blue yung ano.
Nakabook po kayo. Ano name po?
Name po ay ano? Anong name?
Jenny Rose. Jenny Rose. Jenny Rose. Hi. Hi, Jenny Rose.
Sabi mo.
Sorry, meron ko.
Okay. Pwede naman dito.
Table number 2. Copy, sir, copy.
Yung sasakyan namin. Na yate.
Dito po tayo, ma'am, sir.
Sir, Raquel, 5 packs, no TV, table number 2.
Oh, packet na kami.
Ah, punta na tayo. Hello.
Han. Pangalay pala mag-vlog.
Baba, kami kasi wala na.
Pusin na natin, oh.
Follow po tayo, ma'am, sir, kay JC. Tara po.
Si Sir JC.
Dito tayo.
Daan-daan lang daw, madulas. Para ma-experience natin yung ano, Red Whale dito sa Boracay. Ayan na.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello sir, welcome to Red Trail. Ay, ang ganda, tropa. The best, ang ganda.
Feeling that the day just passes by. I get the pressure.
Woo! Peace out. Mamaya uli. Hanggang mamaya tayo dito. Okay.
Raise your hands in the air and say Boracay. Yes, island in the world. Happy, 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 Boracay. Yes, island in the world. Enjoy sila sa Boracay. Enjoy sila sa Boracay. Paradise with a natural high. In Boracay, never say goodbye. So say yes to Boracay. So reach out and say Boracay. Yes, island in the world. Happy, 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 Boracay. Yes, island in the world. Boracay.
Up here, if you need assistance or any concern, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, so before we start, let me know, guys, if where you guys came from so that I can adjust my languages. Okay, so first table, where are you from, sir? Pangasinan, Davao, Bicol, Philippines!
Yeah!
Next table, where are you from, sir?
Binangonan. Rizal.
Okay, Rizal, Pasay. Yes. Alright. Pangulong. Next thing is where are you from, sir? Laguna. Cebu, Philippines. Yeah. Okay, next table.
South Korea.
Okay, Korea. Right. Next table. Korea and Leyte, Philippines. Okay, everyone, welcome to the world sunset. Here in Boracay, the Red Trail. Okay, so for my Filipino and Filipino and Filipinas, do you understand? Okay, so do you understand English, right? Yes. For Koreans, you, do you understand English? Would you like me to speak Korean or English? Okay, so let's do this English and then Korean. So first, our destination is we will go to Korean. I don't know. To Coral Garden Point. There we are going to do our snorkeling, diving, and sliding. And for those people who don't know how to swim, please wear your life jacket. And for those people who can, you can wear off your life jacket, but please. Okay, so after our first point, second point is the balikan point. There we're going to do our swim, playing, kayak, and paddleboard. And then for those who don't know how to swim, please wear your life jacket. Understand? Okay, so after our second point, we will go to the airport to see sunset. And then we will back to station 1 Boracay. And when we come to station 1 Boracay, we will be having our party. Because we always close the sunset, yeah. So we will not end without a party. Okay? And so when we make a party, please do tell us that we will be there at our okay? Okay, so the question, are you ready to party? Yeah! Okay, good. Okay, you guys stop! Okay, so as you can see here, we have cocktails and cocktails here. So it is all for free, but please drink all the way, okay? Understand? Alright, and we have also snacks and games to you later. So this is for our stuff. And also we have solo soup, champagne, and beer. This drink is for free. If you want to drink, that's for our birthday stuff. And also we have here our left and
Kamay sa dibdib. Huwag tayong higa. Upo lang po tayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Next. Sa inyo ito apat, no? Ayan na po.
Hawakan mo muna ito! Naka-video na yun.
Kasi nakaharap.
In the air. If you feeling good, put your hands in the air. If you feeling good, put your hands in the air. Say okay, everyone, that ends our party. You want more? Yes! You want more? Yes!
It's my life, and I won't give up. I'm gonna live forever. I shall live a life. It's my life, and I won't give up. I shall live my way.
Yes, yes. Okay, really, that ends our party. Everyone sit down. Everyone, have a seat, please. Sige, almost here. Say, brother.
Ay, sa gulo ng transfer or next order. So before we transfer, please check all your belongings, especially your photo, camera, and all your accessories. Again, please check all your belongings before we go. So, let's go po daw. Pwede dito kay Korea. Puja na po simple sa nalibot maneras. So, bagay na sa pagsalita.
Live vlog.